Hi, hello everyone. Myself Poonam Sawant, student of Sharad Chandra Pawar College of Pharmacy, Otur, Pune. Today, me and my friends Akansha Harad and Kalpita Shinde discuss with you a small point of the regulatory science, that is the DRA in a European Union. Firstly, we know the meaning of the DRA. DRA is the Drug Regulatory Authority, which is work in a specific country. In a European Union, the main regulatory authorities, that is the European Medical Agency. This medical agency works in a Europe related to the drug and the medicine. This is the decentralized agency which is located in a 13 Churchill in a United Kingdom of the London. There is a European Union which has the main big responsibility, that is the access to evaluating the application for marketing authorization. It is a big responsibility of the European Union. And second, the monitoring the safety of the medicineची सेफ्टी मॉनिटर करण्याचं काम युरोपियन युनियनची युरोपियन मेडिकल एजन्सी हे काम करत असते. Organization structure of the European Union is a mainly consist of the four main committee. First one, the management board. The management board of the European Union is consist of the 36 non-government member. 36 non-government member is made the management board of the European Union. Then we see the responsibility of the management board in a European Union, that is to decorate the annual work program and the budget approval. Firstly, this management board decorate the annual work of the European medicine, and the budget approval is done by this management board. Second one, the executive committee, executive director. This it involve the approximately 513 full-time staff. Executive director also has their responsibility, that is to perform all opportunity regarding the pharmaceutical, to solve the staff issue and drawing up the annual program. The main objective or the responsibility of the executive director is to solve the staff issue. Staff issue solving is the main responsibility of the executive director. Third committee is the scientific committee. Scientific committee is made up of 7 different type of scientific committee. It includes the committee for medical product, which is used for the human. Second committee is committee for PV risk management. PV means pharmacovigilance risk management. Third committee is committee for medical product for veterinary use. This committee include the product which is come under the veterinary use. Fourth committee is committee for orphan medical products. Fifth committee is committee for herbal medicinal products. This committee includes the medicinal product which come under the herbal. Sixth committee is committee for the pediatric drug. This committee include the medicine which is used for the pediatric. Seventh committee is committee for advanced therapeutics. Next part of the organization structure of the European Union is a agency staff. Agency staff include the law related to the evaluation and the safety monitoring of the medicine which is used in the European Union. The agency staff contain the executive director. Under the executive director come the office and the legal services. Office include the senior medical office, and the legal services include the internal audit. Internal audit again classify into the 5 type. First one, the human medicine development and the evolution. Second one, the patient health protection. Third one, the veterinary medicine and the product data management. Fourth one, the information and the communication technology. And the fifth one, the administration. The application of the European Union, that is the clinical trial application, CTA. Second one, the marketing authorization application, that is MAA. third one the application for the orphan drug, and fifth one the application for the herbal drug. Thank you guys.